technology behind VoIP might seem really complex, but in practice, it's really user-friendly. You can use it to make phone calls, video calls, or send text messages with as little as nothing more than a stable internet connection being the most important requirement. However, if you're still confused about voice over IP, you've come to the right place. My name is Prince Rich with Rich Technology Group, and in today's video, I'm going to give you a simple explanation of VoIP in non-tech savvy terms. But first, you're watching the #1 channel on all things business phone systems and internet service related advice and educational videos to help you make the best buying decisions, maybe even save yourself a little money along the way. So hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos once they release. So, what is VoIP? VoIP is the latest telecommunications technology that lets you make phone calls over the internet. Instead of using traditional landline phones, VoIP works digitally, which means you can use your computer, smartphone, tablet, or any other supported device to talk to anyone, anywhere in the world. The best part about using VoIP is that you don't have to rely on old-fashioned phone lines to connect with people. As long as you have a stable internet connection, you're good to go. You can chat with your friends, family, or colleagues without any worries or the associated high cost of analog phone services of the past. Before we move on, be sure to follow me on Twitter where you can ask me any questions about business phone systems and internet services. All questions are welcome, and I love engaging with our viewers, so I hope to see you there. Now let's talk about how VoIP works. When you make a phone call, your voice is converted into digital signals called data packets that are sent over the internet in small chunks. These packets travel through the internet to reach the person you're calling. Once those packets are received on the other end, they're recombined to recreate your original message. It kind of relates to sending a digital text message through the internet. The receiver process is the absolute opposite of the sending, so when the person you're talking to responds, their voice is also converted into digital signals and sent back to you through the internet. Pretty simple, right? So, why is VoIP so important? Well, there are plenty of reasons why VoIP is becoming increasingly more popular to make calls. Reason number one, it's way cheaper than traditional landline calling. Using VoIP, you can make long-distance calls without worrying about big phone bills. Plus, there are tons of different VoIP service providers out there like Nextiva, RingCentral, Vonage, Dialpad, and many more, so you can find a package that works for your needs and specific budget. Another big thing about VoIP is its flexibility. It can be used from anywhere as long as you have an internet connection. You can make phone calls from your laptop, smartphone, or even your tablet while you're on the go. Therefore, it's ideal for people who are always moving around or need to make calls from different locations. And one of the most amazing things about VoIP is all the extra features it offers compared to traditional landline calling. With VoIP, you can do so much more than just make voice calls. You can make video calls, forward calls to other devices, get voicemail messages sent straight to your email, and even have your calls transcribed in text. It's like having a whole suite of communication tools at your fingertips. So, no matter whether you're using VoIP for personal calls or using it for business communication, it is an ideal choice. What more could you want from a calling solution? So, there you have it. A simple and straightforward explanation of VoIP. It's a technology that can save you tons of money, provide flexibility, and provide all the business features you can think of. If you're watching this video and you'd like our assistance with figuring out which VoIP service provider on the market best fits your feature requirements and budget, contact us via the information below this video. We're paid by referring customers to the service providers, so our consulting service is 100% free. So, you have nothing to lose. Do not forget to contact us first before contacting the service providers directly if you'd like our guidance and access to our special pricing. If you found this video helpful or informative, show us your support by hitting that like button right now. And remember, you're watching the #1 channel on all things business phone systems and internet service related advice and educational videos to help you make the best buying decisions, maybe even save yourself a little money along the way. So hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos once they release. As always, this is Prince Rich with Rich Technology Group, your go-to guy for the best deals on business phone and internet service in the United States. I'll catch you guys again in the next video.